Hello and welcome to another update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin was rather quiet on Saturday. We saw a little bit of a move to the upside, but it ended as a three-wave move so far. We haven't seen 5 waves yet. That is sort of what we are tracking here next. I want to share with you the two pathways that I see here right now. Hasn't really changed much from the previous video, so we keep it short, but there is, I think, I can't remember, did we talk about that in the last video? Maybe not, so maybe it is new. But anyway, let's remind ourselves of the relevant levels as we are getting prepared for Sunday. The white scenario is the scenario in which we're tracking that a wave 4 might indeed have completed already. I'm talking about a wave 4, a corrective pullback that ended on Friday the 25th. In a wave 4, yeah, and we're now in a 5th wave to the upside, which I haven't completely labeled through, but that 5th wave should also be a 5-wave move ideally, right? But we're starting with kind of the initial 5-wave pattern. That 5-wave pattern would be a first indication that actually this low formed and that the Friday low was a more meaningful one. And the ideal roadmap would be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then again, that would be wave 1 of 5. Then maybe we can get a corrective pullback in wave 2 of 5, 3, 4, 5. And this is how it would ideally develop. But for now, we don't even have 5 waves up. So I can really only confirm that a low formed here on the 25th of July if we get a 5-wave move up. Again, at the moment, it's 3. We need 5. So I need one more high. And the price has reached the area around the 138% extension. That's normally the first ideal target for a third wave. So I can go with that. Yeah, I can watch that scenario. I can focus on that scenario. And that particular scenario, yeah, it basically means that in this scenario now, a 4th wave is due. And we just need to make sure that the support zone is correctly defined, correctly measured, yeah, and put onto the chart. So the support zone is between $116,220 and $117,000. It's the support zone for an internal 4th wave pullback. As long as we are holding support, we could even get one more high in that 5th wave to the upside there. So 1, 2, 3. Now we might get a 4th wave here and then a 5th wave up. So that gives us 5 waves up. And the 5th wave should ideally take us to like 1 to 2 Fibonacci levels higher than the 3rd wave. So maybe 118.9K to 119.4K. But it will really depend on how the market now pulls back. And if we get a healthy wave 4, then that 5th wave, yeah, can take us to the 178.6 to 200% extension. That would be ideal. Now, if we get a break below $116,220, it would shift the focus to the blue scenario, in which we can get one more low at least, which might take the price to 113.8K, maybe even 112.3K. So we get here this one more low. And that would just mean that the wave 4 is extending. But I have to say, with one more low below the Friday low, it's probably not this wave degree anymore. We are probably moving up a wave degree, which means that instead of, to keep it very simple, instead of getting 2 more highs on this chart, so one more high and another one, we might only get that one more high, okay? So that should happen if we get one more low. So we'll see, and it just has to do with the support levels. And if we break below the Friday low, which formed just below 115K, then it's just, the pullback is just too deep for the current wave degree. It just means we are moving up a degree. But yeah, I mean, overall, we're just waiting to see if the market can now generate a 5-wave move up. The next critical resistance level is the last swing high. It formed around $119,580. So yeah, that's just a quick update on Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to check out our channel page. There you can find information about our membership. Tomorrow, or rather Sunday, depending on your time zones, tomorrow or today, We're running our weekly member live stream, MCO Live, every Sunday at 5 p.m. UTC. So check it out if you're interested. We normally cover around like 40 coins during these live streams. It's also a great way to connect with the community. And we're covering, obviously there are member-only videos for you, like Pepe was covered today, Render yesterday, AVAX, and so on. If you're interested in even accessing our Discord server, you can do that with our Gold membership, and you can get access to many, many more updates. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.